Stop scrolling for a second, because this is not the Ford Falcon you remember. Imagine a car that looks calm in traffic, smooth on broken Asian roads, cheap to run every day, but still fast enough to make German sports cars think twice at a traffic light. The 2026 Ford Falcon is back in a modern form, and it's quietly becoming one of the smartest performance sedans for the USA and Asian buyers who want speed without stress, power without punishment, and value without regrets. Now let's talk real money first, because that's what matters. In the USA, the 2026 Ford Falcon is expected to start around $38,000 for the base turbo model, with higher trims touching about $48,000. In Japan, pricing converts roughly to 5.8 to 7.2 million yen depending on taxes and trim. Across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, you're looking at an estimated range of 1.7 to 2.3 million in local currency equivalents. This puts the Falcon in a sweet spot where it feels premium but doesn't destroy your monthly budget like European performance cars. Under the hood, the Falcon focuses on balance, not madness. Most buyers will go for the turbo petrol or hybrid setup, and this is where Asian drivers win. In city driving, expect fuel economy around 12 to 14 km per liter for the petrol version, and closer to 18 to 20 km per liter with the hybrid. On highways, the numbers improve even more, especially at steady speeds common on expressways in Japan and the USA. Compared to older Falcons, this one saves serious fuel, and compared to a Ferrari or Porsche, it's not even a contest. Those cars drink fuel like a race weekend. The Falcon sips. Hybrid savings matter a lot in Asia, where fuel prices are higher and traffic is heavier. In slow city traffic, the Falcon's hybrid system uses electric power more often, cutting fuel use and reducing engine stress. Over 5 years, owners can save thousands of dollars in fuel alone compared to traditional V6 sports sedans. This is real money staying in your pocket, not just marketing talk. Performance is easy to explain. In the city, the Falcon feels smooth, light, and calm. The steering is easy, visibility is good, and acceleration is quick without being aggressive. You press the pedal, it moves instantly, no drama. On the highway, it's a different story. The Falcon feels planted, confident, and stable even at high speeds. Overtaking is effortless, and the car stays quiet and comfortable, something Ferrari and Porsche owners can't always say on long drives. Yes, Ferrari and Porsche are faster on a racetrack, but let's be honest. In Asian cities, you rarely use even half of that power. The Falcon gives you usable speed. From zero to highway speed, it keeps up surprisingly well, and in real traffic, the difference is smaller than people think. Meanwhile, maintenance on a Ferrari or Porsche can cost as much as a small car. Falcon maintenance is predictable, affordable, and stress-free.
Ownership cost is where the Falcon really shines. Annual maintenance in the USA averages much lower than European performance brands, with basic service costing a few $100s instead of thousands. In Japan and ASEAN markets, Ford's shared parts strategy helps keep costs down. Insurance is also more reasonable. Because the Falcon is not classified as an exotic sports car, insurance premiums stay manageable, especially for drivers over 30 with clean records. Parts availability is another big win for Asian buyers. Ford has strong supply chains across the USA and Asia. That means faster repairs, cheaper parts, and less waiting time. This is a huge advantage over imported European brands, where a simple sensor can take weeks to arrive and cost a fortune. Resale value is stronger than many people expect. Falcons historically hold value well in markets where performance sedans are respected. The 2026 model benefits from modern design, hybrid options, and Ford's improved reliability reputation. 5 years down the line, resale remains solid, especially compared to high-end sports cars that lose value fast once warranties expire. Now let's talk about Asian roads. because this matters more than horsepower numbers. Roads in many Asian countries are narrow, busy, and unpredictable. The Falcon's suspension is tuned for comfort first, handling second. That means speed bumps, rough patches, and uneven roads are handled smoothly. Ground clearance is practical, not too low, so you don't scrape everywhere like a Porsche. Parking is easier, turning radius is friendly, and daily driving feels relaxed. Inside, the Falcon feels modern and smart. Tech is simple to use, screens are clear, and the cabin is quiet even in traffic. This is a car you can drive every day without getting tired. Ferrari feels special, Porsche feels sharp, but the Falcon feels livable. And for most buyers in Asia and the USA, livable beats flashy. This car is for people who want performance without punishment, style without stress, and speed without sacrificing family comfort or budget. It's for buyers who understand that real-world driving is about balance, not bragging rights. If you're considering a Ferrari or Porsche but don't want insane running costs, if you want something powerful but practical, and if you drive in real traffic on real roads, the 2026 Ford Falcon makes a lot of sense. If this video helped you understand whether the Falcon fits your lifestyle, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest car reviews made for real drivers, and comment below if you choose the Falcon over a European sports car. Your support helps the channel grow, and more great reviews are coming soon.